Hi, I'm Bryce Bowman,
And I'm Alex.
and we're from Bowman Incorporated. We're here to sell you something. Something amazing!
Something spectacular.
Something Disney can't dream of. Introducing Piss in a Bottle. Piss in a bottle. A product unlike any other. You can squirt it!
You can drink it.
And you can share it. Just ask these satisfied customers.
This product has changed my life.
Could you give us an example of what Piss in a Bottle has done for you?
That product is shit. Oh my gosh, this product lets me wear my hair wherever I go.
Can't you see? Piss in a Bottle has changed their life. So do what all the other kids are doing. Order Piss in a Bottle today for only $999. Wow, what a great deal. Well, plus added shipping and handling, but still. And if you order right now, we'll even throw in a Q-tip. But wait, we'll even double the Q-tips. But wait, we'll even add an almost completely eaten box of Red Hots. But wait, we'll even throw in a completely eaten box of Red Hots. Buy Piss in a Bottle today. Head into the life full throttle, get piss in a bottle. This is not a real product. Ding!